Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Thinking of giving your profile a fresh look? Whether it's for a change of pace or any other reason, altering your name on Instagram is a simple and speedy process. In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Instagram in just a few steps. Let's go. To update your information or change the name of your profile, first launch the Instagram app. Next, click on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your dashboard. Then tap the Edit Profile button. Here you'll see other pieces of information displayed on your profile. Now click your name and type what you prefer. Just a reminder that you can only change your name twice within 14 days, so choose a name that you're known by so people can discover your account easily. To confirm the changes made, click Done. Another way to change your name on Instagram is to use the Account Center. With a new update from Meta, it now provides a dedicated tab to conveniently manage your settings on Instagram and with other linked accounts. To do this, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your profile dashboard and go to Settings and Privacy. Open the Account Center tab, then click Profiles. Select your Instagram account. Click on Name. Change it. Then tap on Save. If you're unable to change your name because your Instagram account is synced to Facebook, see the linked video to easily change your name without hassle. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.